Hi everyone. Today we will learn another part in chapter 5, Network in Graph Theory, that is represent information in the form of network. Now we look the first part. You can refer your textbook at page 143. A network is a type of unique graph and can be used to represent overlapping and intersecting information. Networks are widely used in almost every area of our daily life. A network that is drawn and displayed in graphic forms enables the interrelationships between various information or data structures to be understood easily. So networks can be drawn as either directed weighted graph or directed unweighted graph, or undirected weighted graph or undirected unweighted graph. So we look at the first example, networks in transportation. So you can see this diagram at page 143. Transportation networks can be shown as weighted and unweighted graph. The weights can represent the distance, traveling time, or cost of the journey. The well-known navigation system in the weighted transportation networks is the GPS, Global Positioning System. The diagram on the right shows the train transit network in Kuala Lumpur Central, KL Central. This undirected graph is an example of transportation networks with the vertices representing names of stations that are connected and the edge representing the types of trains. So now we look at example 14. Also at page 143, Mr. Woon and his family plan to visit historical places in Malacca. The map shows 3 alternative routes with the distance and estimated times needed to travel from Tangkak to A. Famosa, Malacca. So this is the map given. So Mr. Woon wants to go to A. Famosa from Tangkak. So here it assume P is a 46.3 kilometer route, Q is a 50.2 kilometer route, and R is a 53.3 kilometer route. So from here you can see that you have 3 routes, that is route P, route Q, route R. Route P, the distance for route P is 46.3 km and time taken is 1 hour 18 minutes. Route Q is 50.2 km and time taken is 1 hour 2 minutes. Route R is 53.3 km and time taken is 1 hour 2 minutes. So the question, in your opinion, why does route P take the longest time compared to the other routes, even though route P is the shortest route? So you have to explain why route P, the distance is only 46.3 km, but the time taken is longer than the other routes. So you can think why the distance are shorter but the time taken is longer. So maybe the route have a terrible traffic. Okay, that will be one of the reason. So here we look the reason. Route P takes the longest time because the route passes through crowded town areas. So when you have crowded town areas, okay, and there are more road users compared to the other two routes. So crowded town areas, that means there will have a terrible traffic there. So that's why route P takes longer time. So for example 14, you just give your explanation. Why does the route P is the shortest route but take longest time? Just give some explanation. Next, we look at another example in network, that is social network. You can refer at page 144. Social networks are becoming more popular among teenagers and adults. Social networks are used in areas like job opportunities, business opportunities, socializing, family relationships, education, social media, and connecting with communities around the world. Even though social networks are main platforms for various activities and are useful, you should be cautious and moderate in using social networks to avoid being distracted and being deceived easily. So now we look example 15. The table below shows the data of 6 pupils and the games that they like. Represent the information in the form of a network. Given the name of pupil, Edmund like badminton and chess. Azwan likes football and sepak takraw. Rajan likes chess and football. Aina likes chess and netball. Maria likes badminton and netball. And Jenny likes netball and volleyball. So how you want to represent the information in form of network? That means you're going to draw a diagram here. So first you must identify, as usual that I mentioned before this, you want to draw a diagram. You must identify which one is the vertices. Either you select the name of people or game. So here you can see that for example, badminton. Badminton is played by more than one people, that is Edmund and Maria. Chess is played by 3 pupils, that is Edmund, Rajan and Aina. That means one game is played by more than one people. So in this case, you can take the vertices. Okay, the vertices are the games. Okay, the vertices represents types of games. So first, you put the dot. Okay, dot for the vertices. So you can label the vertices according to the game given: badminton, okay, chess, football, sepak takraw, volleyball, and netball. These are the games given. So next, we draw the age. We look the first one, Edmund. Edmund like badminton and chess. So you draw age, badminton and chess, then you label the age as Edmund. Then Azwan. Azwan like football and sepak takraw. So you label the age as Azwan. Then Rajan. Rajan like chess and football. So you label the age as Rajan. Then Aina. Aina like chess and netball. So you label the age as Aina. Then Maria likes badminton and netball, so you label the age as Maria. And the last one, Jenny likes netball and volleyball, so you label the age as Jenny. So this is how you draw a network, graph of network. I hope you all understand how to represent the information given in form of the graph. So I hope everyone understand this topic. So thank you for watching.